Indonesia. Over 17,000 islands, tropical beaches, jungles, volcanoes, ancient temples, and some of the friendliest people in the world. It looks like paradise, but here's the truth. Traveling to Indonesia without preparation can be stressful. Apps don't always work, transportation varies by island, cash is sometimes required, and cultural customs are different than what many travelers expect. That's why you're watching Hack Trip Easy, the channel that helps you travel smarter, avoid common mistakes, and explore the world with confidence. In this episode, I'm sharing the most important travel hacks you need to know before traveling to Indonesia. From visas and money tips, to transportation, local food, health precautions, and respecting culture, these tips will help you save time, money, and stress, so you can enjoy the islands fully. Whether you're planning to visit Bali, Jakarta, Lombok, or the Gili Islands, this guide will make your trip smooth, safe, and unforgettable. So before you book your flight or pack your beachwear, let's make your Indonesia trip easy. Many travelers can get a visa on arrival in Indonesia. However, regulations depend on nationality and change often. It is important to check visa rules for your passport before travel. This helps avoid problems when you arrive in Indonesia. Always confirm the latest visa requirements. Check the official Indonesian immigration website for updates. Applying for an Indonesian visa online saves time at the airport. This advance application reduces waiting times upon arrival. The online process streamlines the entry procedure. This ensures a smoother start to your trip to Indonesia. Overstaying a visa in Indonesia leads to significant financial penalties. These penalties accrue quickly, increasing the financial burden. Travelers must closely track their visa expiration dates. Careful monitoring helps avoid these costly fines. Overstaying can also lead to potential legal complications. Credit cards are commonly accepted in tourist areas of Indonesia. However, many local establishments operate primarily on a cash-only basis. This is especially true when traveling outside major cities. It is essential to carry sufficient cash for transactions. Cash facilitates purchases at smaller shops and local markets. Being prepared with cash ensures smooth transactions in these areas. ATMs on smaller Indonesian islands can be unreliable. ATMs may be frequently out of service. Travelers may face difficulties accessing cash. Withdraw sufficient cash in urban centers. Do this before traveling to smaller islands. This ensures coverage of expenses in these areas. Using ATMs at reputable banks reduces fraud and tampering risks. Bank-affiliated ATMs typically have better security features. These enhanced features protect against unauthorized access. Standalone ATMs may lack the same level of security measures. Be wary of money changers offering unusually high exchange rates. These inflated rates are often a hallmark of fraudulent schemes. Scammers use this tactic to lure unsuspecting individuals. Always use established and reputable exchange services. This ensures fair transactions and protects you from scams. Purchasing a local SIM card at the airport offers immediate internet access. This allows travelers to use maps and translation apps right after landing. It also enables the use of ride services for convenient transportation. A local SIM ensures connectivity without relying on international roaming. This provides a cost-effective solution for staying connected abroad. An international eSIM provides an alternative to physical SIM cards. It offers internet connectivity without the need to physically swap SIM cards. This is especially beneficial for travelers visiting multiple countries. eSIMs streamline the process of staying connected while abroad. Users can switch between different mobile networks easily. Offline maps are essential for navigation in areas with unreliable internet access. They ensure travelers can find their way even without a data connection. This is especially crucial in remote regions of Indonesia. Downloading maps beforehand guarantees uninterrupted navigation. Offline maps enhance safety and convenience for travelers. Indonesia's thousands of islands present diverse transportation challenges. Transportation methods vary greatly from island to island. Understanding these differences is crucial for travel planning. Efficient routes require knowledge of available transport options. Ride-hailing apps provide convenient transport in major Indonesian cities. These apps offer a readily accessible mode of transportation. They are known for providing reliable service. Ride-hailing apps are also generally an affordable option. Hiring a driver is useful for exploring areas outside major cities. It offers flexibility and convenience in rural exploration. Negotiate rates with the driver before starting the trip. Confirm the itinerary to avoid any misunderstandings later. Discuss all planned stops and durations beforehand. Ensure clarity on payment terms and any extra charges. Booking inter-island flights or ferries in advance is highly recommended. Advance booking is especially crucial during peak travel seasons. Booking ahead ensures availability, preventing potential travel disruptions. Early booking often allows travelers to secure better prices and deals. This proactive approach simplifies travel planning and reduces stress. Consider booking accommodations and activities alongside transportation. Accommodation quality in Indonesia can differ significantly. Careful review analysis is essential for informed decisions. Recent reviews provide insights into hotel reliability. Reviews also help gauge the comfort level of hotels. Air conditioning is highly recommended in Indonesia. Indonesia has a hot and humid climate. Choosing accommodations with A, C ensures comfort. C promotes a more restful stay. The heat and humidity can be draining. C helps regulate the room's temperature and humidity. Confirming airport pickup with your accommodation is crucial, especially for late arrivals. This confirmation helps prevent potential transportation problems upon arrival. A confirmed pickup ensures a smoother transition from the airport to your hotel. Arrange pickup details in advance for a hassle-free arrival experience. Eating where locals eat often indicates better food quality and safety standards. Stalls popular with locals usually have high food turnover. High turnover generally means fresher ingredients and safer food handling. Choosing busy stalls can be a reliable way to find good, safe street food. Choose street food stalls that prepare food fresh. Fresh preparation reduces the risk of consuming old food. Avoid food that has been sitting out for a long time. This helps ensure better food safety and hygiene. Travelers with sensitive stomachs should exercise caution with street food. Uncooked foods from street vendors pose a higher risk of foodborne illnesses. Potential contaminants in uncooked foods can trigger digestive problems. Opting for thoroughly cooked food is a safer choice to avoid health issues. When visiting temples, dressing modestly is a sign of respect for local customs. Modest attire also demonstrates sensitivity towards religious beliefs. Appropriate clothing includes covering shoulders and knees. This practice is also recommended for visiting local villages. Removing shoes is a sign of respect in many cultures. This practice is common before entering religious sites. It also applies when entering private homes in some regions. Indonesia widely observes this custom as a mark of reverence. Always seek permission before photographing individuals. This is especially important in traditional or rural settings. Respecting privacy is a key element of ethical photography. Cultural norms often dictate whether photography is acceptable. Showing consideration avoids causing offense or discomfort. Prioritize respect and understanding in your photography practices. Schedule outdoor activities for early morning. Mornings avoid the day's peak heat. Early timing reduces risk of afternoon rain. This maximizes comfort and enjoyment outdoors. Use lightweight luggage for ferry and small flight travel. This helps comply with weight restrictions. Lighter luggage makes transportation easier. Lightweight luggage simplifies island hopping. Indonesia is breathtaking, diverse, and unforgettable, but preparation is key to making your trip truly enjoyable. When you understand the visa requirements, carry cash in the right amounts, plan transportation wisely, respect local culture, and pace yourself, your adventure becomes seamless instead of stressful. Remember, Indonesia isn't about rushing, it's about exploring, experiencing, and letting the island surprise you. Slow down, stay aware, and enjoy every moment. If this episode helped you, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss a Hack Trip Easy episode. We're here to help you travel smarter, safer, and with confidence anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next Hack Trip Easy adventure.